Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited, stock reference number 5821. The shape runs from the 4th month 2013 through to the 2nd month 2022. It has a 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors have no damage, left rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand taillight, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, aftermarket BTA tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate has no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat-nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.